Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to fix following problem on TikTok. For example, you want to follow someone but you can't, some problem appears, and the first reason might be because you follow too much people in this hour or just generally today. As in fact, you can only follow 25 to 30 people in 1 hour and 200 people in 1 day. So it can also be a problem, but if it isn't the problem, first make sure that you updated your TikTok application to the newest version possible and then try to restart your phone. After this, you're gonna go to settings of your device and go and search for app management. After you are in the section, you're gonna search for TikTok, and after this you're gonna force stop the TikTok application and then go to storage usage and clear cache. After this, go to permissions and make sure that you gave all permissions to TikTok. It can also limit the capacity of the application. Now after this, if it still doesn't work, you're gonna go there and profile page of your TikTok application and tap on these 3 lines on your top right and choose settings and privacy. You're gonna scroll down, go report a problem and search for follow, likes, comments and favorites. Following and unfollowing users, following too fast, unable to follow user. Now you're gonna choose unable to follow a user. You can also try to read this article, but if all of this didn't help you, you're just gonna choose no answer and choose need more help. And right here you're gonna describe your problem, something like, hello TikTok support team, I can't follow anyone, I didn't get to limit of 200 people a day or 25 people an hour, and I don't know what is the problem. Please help me with this problem and I will be thankful for you. And that's it. So the TikTok application community, the support team more likely will be helpful for you. So if this video was helpful, please make sure that you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.